Yeah, what I'm working on here is a 2011 Ford Edge. Getting ready to replace the canister purge valve. Yeah, here's what I'm going to say. Ford had to know that this was such a bad design. I will say thank you, Ford. You realized it, and my God, you are awesome. Got a little clip to take the wire off, little clip to take the hose off. And what else do you got? You got this little piece that can be awesomely reached without any problem. I've never seen something like that. Oh yeah, comes off without a problem. About a 3.5-minute repair. Yeah, you can't even believe this. You ever seen something like that? Something so easy to repair? I sure haven't.